Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to sign up and create an account with Square. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and sub to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video. Alright, on your mobile device or PC or laptop, open up any web browser, and then in the browser, especially Google, type in Square sign up, and then you'll come across an option that says create an account in minutes from SquareUp.com. This is a sponsored, so if you don't get the sponsored, just scroll down and then click on sign up for Square here. And now what you want to do from here is let's create your account. So signing up for Square is fast and free, and there's no commitments or long-term contracts required. So from here, put in your email, create a strong password, put in your location, and then click on the terms and click on continue. So I'll show you what this looks like. Alright, so it should look something similar like this, but with your own email, of course, and password. And now click on continue, and then you'll get a page that looks like this. Your account has been created. And now from here, fill out these forms. So there's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different sections you've got to fill out to complete your sign up process. So from here, tell us about your business. So enter a few details so we can provide specific information about how Square can work for your business. So what type of business is it? So click onto that, and for my situation it is probably education's the best choice here. Business category, so I'm just going to go ahead and fill this out and continue on. Alright, once you've filled this out, click on continue to fill out the rest of the forms, and once you've done, you've been signed up to Square.